All right, so I was given this lawnmower by a coworker, and he said he used it maybe 2 or 3 times, put it away for the season, went back to start it, and of course it wouldn't start. 99% chance there's a problem with the jets in the carburetor, so I'm going to do a bit of a science experiment with this thing and see if we can get it to run just a little bit better. But first we're going to wash it off. I also picked this one up. There's going to be another video on this. I'm waiting on some parts. And this one needs a bath too because I just put it up for sale. So I'll meet you guys when we're ready to mess with this one. All right, so we're going to flip this thing over onto its side. Just like this. Then we're going to pull the bowl out and then remove that jet assembly. Neither one of these bolts are really on all that tight. Screwdriver. So you guys see this little tab down here. Gonna leak a little fuel, but that's okay. So all we're gonna do now. So I've got the jets out here. Everything looks good. I did kind of ding that up a little bit with the pliers because I grabbed it on the wrong end, but it didn't hurt anything. So I just cleaned out that little hole that's in there. This one down here is good. And then I took this thing apart and I cleaned out this hole here as well. It was blocked up. These other two are fine. So let's reinstall all this. I also took the needle out, cleaned up the tip, pin, and the float's in good condition. All right, so we just got the jet assembly here. Can only go in one way, but it just clips in like that. Everything's good there. So now just to reinstall the float, the pin, and the needle, and then the bowl. And we'll throw some fresh gas in this and see what's going to happen. So I just cleaned out the bowl. I took this bottom bolt out, which is a 10mm hex socket, just like this. Clean that off, throw that back on, just like that. I did elect to remove the 4 bolts on here just to pull off the side of the air hat. This can only go on one way, so hopefully have it going in the right way. And it appears that I do. Start those by hand. It's very important that you don't torque those down all that tight. Hat back on. Make sure that this PCV line goes right here. All right, so now I'm just going to check the oil, get everything put back together. Yeah, it's got oil in it. So let's try and give her a start. too bad. And put some of that Lucas fuel treatment stuff into it. So hopefully that'll help clear it out a little bit. I don't know how old that gas was that was in it, but with this fresh gas, hopefully it'll be a little bit better for it. But just got to wash it off again and put it up for sale. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.